Hi, my name is Arian Rose Asanula. I am 29 years old and I started off my career as a general admin assistant. Well, that includes almost all the scope of work, such as CSR, admin assistant, and also a team leader. I began with my career in a BPO industry as a customer service representative for almost 2 years, then switched into corporate field as a management trainee position for a sales and retail company for 2 years, and then finally landed in a work from home setup 4 years ago as a freelancer and a virtual assistant where I perform full cycle of admin tasks, customer service, admin duties, basic accounting, appointment setting, research, data entry, calendar management, lead generation, making phone calls or BTC, bookings, and other personal tasks that the client needed me to do or asked to. Also, I am used to some CRM, communication, and also admin related tools and software. In that role, a major accomplishment that I am most proud of was that I was able to lessen the workload and paperwork of my client, continues to support to maintain the sales in a target quota, exceed his expectations by doing my responsibilities and duties, and most importantly, he could spend more time for himself and for his family while doing the business really well and not losing the company's revenue. I understand that for this position for a business virtual assistant or your virtual assistant that you're hiring for, you're looking for someone with strong process improvement skills. Well, overall, due to my strong background and achievement in successfully identifying gaps and also creating efficiencies, I believe and I'm confident that I'll be able to succeed and take responsibility in this role that you're hiring for. Well, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you.